everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app, 9 setting, click on battery and power saving and click on charge and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, just click and hold side power button, restart phone. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app, 9 setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.